Hi, this is Litre Toolbox Pro. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Hiace, stock number 6682. This run from the 8th 2010 to the 12th 2013. Has a 1kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1kd, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror, left front door 3 dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, interior mirror, instrument cluster,